Hello, so we have cell division, cell cycle, and mitosis. Mitosis is a type of cell division, and there are different types of cell division. And the function of mitosis is to make cells bigger, repair damage of cells. And those are the main functions of mitosis. So the first stage is called Interphase, and this is not a stage of mitosis. This is a stage of cell division, though. So before the cell divides, the DNA copies itself. So before cell division, it looks like this. This is a chromosome, and after cell division, it multiplies itself. So it ends up looking like an X. And this is the prep stage of mitosis, which is not actually a stage of mitosis and called interphase. So the goal of mitosis is to separate the DNA sets, which is chromosomes, into two new cells. So before, the chromosomes look like this. These are just four chromosomes floating around. And at the end, and this is not exactly how it looks, but I'll tell you why I drew it like this later, it'll end up looking like this. And the same thing here. And remember that at the end, the two cells will always be exactly identical. Then we have stage 1, which is prophase. And in prophase, the chromosomes condense from loose strands, so they were like this, and they end up being like this, like the form of an X, the one that you normally see. So now these X's are starting to bloat up the nucleus, which is the inner circle, in case you didn't notice, and this causes it to kind of start to break down. And then we get to metaphase, which the nucleus completely breaks down, so we only have the one circle, and the chromosomes line up in the middle like that. And I'm going to give you some time just to look at that form for a second. Okay, so the nucleus is gone and they're all in the middle. Then they're on the ends of the cell, they're little, we're going to represent them as dots, and these are centrioles, and these fibers try to move them to these. So they end up getting this, and these little strands of fibers start to pull on them. And that is where we get to Anaphase, where they pull them apart, and these are not X's anymore. So this is the chromosome. These are all chromosomes. This is the fiber pulling it apart. So now these used to be an X like this, and now they end up looking like that, like apart. And they form two sets that look like this originally, and then they become loose strands after pulling apart, and they are genetically identical. And this is mitosis in a short form. Thank you for watching.